With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So, hello my dear student, welcome to the Doubtnut. And my question that is given in the form of assertion and reason, that is chelates are relatively more stable than non-chelated complex. Okay, reason that is given that complex containing ligands which can be easily replaced by the other ligand are called labile complex. Okay, so let's see. So my dear, as we know that as we know that is chelate ligands. Okay, so that is the chelate ligands. As we take the one example, that is the NiEN, that is ethylene diamine of 2. Okay, so this one is there is a metal. Okay, so there is metal atom is the center, and this will form a, so there is a this one is the 5-membered ring. Okay, so this one is the 5-membered ring. Okay, so while drawing the structure, there is NH2 will be there. Okay, so there is NH2, and this will be connected through CH2, here CH2, and here NH2 will be there. Okay, so this will be connected through the metal ligand. Okay, so in similar way, there is a NH2 that will be connected, donate the metal atom. Okay, so there is a NH2 that will donate the metal atom, and there is a CH2. Okay, so this will form a chelate. Okay, this will form a chelate complex. Okay, 5-membered ring. Okay, so in this way, this is the more stable. Okay, so the compound which do not form ring, not form, these are not the stable one. Okay, so these are not the stable one. Okay, so my dear friends, so next we are talking about the labile complex. Okay, so next we are talking about the labile complex. Okay, so this labile complex, that is it undergoes rapid substitution of one ligand okay, it undergo rapid substitution for the one ligand for another. Okay, so when you see the one example, that complex, let's see, that is cobalt, that is with the NH3 whole 6, and there is plus 3. When it react with the water, that is 6 H2O, 6 hydronium ion plus 6 H3O plus, it will form a CO H2O whole 6 plus 3 plus 6 NH4 plus ion. Okay, so this is called by as a labile complex. Okay, so let's see the assertion, the region. So chelates ligands are relatively more stable than non-chelate because it will form a 5-membered ring which is more stable. Okay, so and chelate complex with ligand which can easily replace by other are called labile. So both the assertion and region are true, but the R is not any relation. So R is not the correct explanation of A. Okay, so both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. So there is no any option. So this one is the R is the correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. So option B is the correct answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.